Hello and welcome to a how-to video on how to post auctions on a penny auction theme WordPress site. As you can see here, we are on the dashboard. This is the home page. For this video, we're going to be looking specifically at the auction page. So let's go ahead over here and click on auctions. As you can see, this sidebar will pop up, but let's click on this for right now. Once we're in here, we can see all of the auctions that we already have posted up here. Now, if we want to edit them, we can go and simply hover over and click edit, and that will open our main auction page. Okay. And before we get into this, let's post a new auction. Okay. You can either go down over to here to the sidebar and click add a new auction, or you can go up to this button and click add new auction. So once we have clicked on add a new auction, we will be taken back to a default auction page. Now from here, I think the easiest way to start this process is by posting a picture of the thing that you are trying to sell. To do that, you simply just scroll down the page, find the section that says auction images, select files, post this one for right now. This will upload, it will say complete, and then this will go away. Now if you want to delete this, you can just simply click on the red button and it's gone. So we have our picture up. Okay. Now this is a Galil, so we'll just go up here and type Galil. This is our auction title. Come down here and we can create a description about the auction. Alrighty, once we have that down, this is going to be our description. It will show up below the auction. Okay, and this is where we get to the interesting part. Over here in the auction details section, this is where we're going to be putting all of the pricing down. So we'll start with the shipping. We'll just do something standard like $20. Start price, so let's just put 0 for right now. Reserve, as you can tell, it says can be empty. If you do not want to set a reserve price, you do not have to type in 0. You can just leave it empty. We're going to just leave that empty for right now. Buy now section. You can simply just come over here and put 200. Okay. Retail price, you can set a retail price just so that the auctioneers know what this offer is actually retailing. So we'll put that in 2,000. Bid increase price, now put 0.05. Okay, so the auction will now increase by 5 cents each time somebody bids on it. Now, the time increase, this is how much the timer increases every time somebody bids on it. I'll just put 3 seconds. We're going to feature this auction. I'll show you where that happens in later. And this is not a closed auction, so you can come back in and close off the auctions once they are complete. Well, this one's just starting, so. And then we'll pick our ending date. Pick something far away. September 30th. Here on the slide bar, you can choose the hour in which you want it to end. In the minutes. Click done. And that's all you have to do. Now, if you want to see what is going on right now, you simply come over here and click preview. It'll take you to a preview of the auction page of what is going to be posted if you do publish it. So you can see here we have our title, Galil, our description, right beneath the solicitation, a giant buy now button, a giant bid now button, and you can see the prices are listed above as well. There have been no bids placed on this yet. The amount of credits that this certain user has will be applicable right here. You can go down here. You can click on any 3 of the images and it'll blow up into a current size. Exit out of that. Alrighty. And then we'll go back over to here. If everything checks out and everything looks good, we'll go down to this area and click publish. Now that this is published, you can still edit it and everything. Just make sure that when you do go back through and edit things, that you go down and you click update, or else the auction post won't update. So if we want to go back and see the product of what we just did, just simply come up here, scroll over the name of the web page, you'll see a visit site button. Click open in a new tab. We can go, and once we open this up, You can see here that this is one of our featured auctions. This is what I was talking about earlier. That's what that button does. It features it on the slider. So this is the main slider. It's also going to be featured in the latest posted auctions tab down here. Also, you can click over on auctions. It will be the first one posted because this is in chronological order.